Guts and clear. Trinidad. Deadline after deadline, crying after crying. You just couldn't manage a cartel show, and that's what you need to tell the people then. In a discussion. My only regret in the situation is that the Trinidad people are them you rob out of the chance to see cartel after so many years. And every promoter can manage Vybez Cartel. It takes a lot.
Good morning to my Caribbean Massive and all the people that are watching me from around the world. I go by Fit Jamaican Girl and I'm coming to you from Miami Beach, Florida, by way of Jamaica. So I wanted to talk about this Vybez Cartel, Sizzla, and the promoter mix-up thing that went on in Trinidad. Alright, so let me break it down to you. So Vybez Kartel, the big headliner, guy was in jail for 13 years. He's in demand. Everybody wants to see him in Trinidad and all over the world. So Kartel don't do a show unless it's $1 million or over, and private jet has to be flown in to get him. So promoter is aware of that. Promoter gave him $950 up front and say, I'm going to get the rest of the mash change to you before the show, then I'll send the private jet for you. Now, Kartel is the headliner. Sizzla, on the other hand, is on the flyer, is the next stop in line on the Kartel. Said Dada, Rastaman, Bonafire upon Babylon, the whole works. So Sizzla is next in line. Sizzla is already there in Trinidad. He's happy with his fee that him and the promoter came to agreement with. So he's there eating doubles, drinking coconut water, and ready to perform. Kartel, on the other hand, the promoter didn't have the rest of the mash to give him, even though the promoter had the plane gas up and ready to go. Didn't have the rest of the money to make the $1 million. And so Kartel's like, I don't have time for this, bro. I got 2 watches on my hand, but I ain't got that kind of time because I'm booked out for the year. I'm in demand. This is on you, on your shoulders, even though I love the people of Trinidad, but I needs my money. A deal is a deal. So Kartel back out because him knowing the small mix-up business. Sizzla, on the other hand, backed out. So we, the people, thought that Sizzla backed out because Kartel, I'm countryman, and him, him sister the promoter deal with Kartel away, so he backed out too. However, that's not the case. Sizzla got paid and already was flued in. So Sizzla backed out because he heard through the grapevine that Kartel was making way more money than him. So even though he settled for that price, he reneged and he's like, nah man, yeah, disrespect the thing, man, yeah, disrespect Rastaman thing. So that's the reason why Sizzla pull out. Because the money in a sound right. It's a diss to me. So, but Sizzla say, yo, since me dey on Trinidad turf already and I'm having a good time, I love the people of Trinidad. What I'm going to do, I still want to sing for you guys. I love you guys. You guys been holding me down. So I'm here, I'm still going to perform. So me, I said to myself, yo, Sizzla is the real deal because he's going to go and give the people them a free show. Because I know so the people them already out from what them pay to see him and Kartel, but through that no go through now. The people them all know them not get them refund yet. So he's probably, I'm thinking that Sizzla said the people are in red already, so I'm going to do them a favor and perform because I love the fans. But no, he's charging $250 Trinidadian dollar to the people them to see him perform at a different show. But the people are already out from spending their money that they not get no refund yet to see him and Kartel. So now they're gonna have to spend another $250 when they not get their refund yet. The refund is not even sure because the promoter thing mash up now. He's in the red big time. Him still owe Kartel money and him still owe the people their money, and the refund is not a sure thing yet. It's a mess. So Sizzla is performing tomorrow. So I don't have no gifts and talents as a DJ, so I really can't tell these men how they should run their show. But if it was me, as the fans have been holding on Kartel 13 years, he's been in jail, they love him, they want to see him. If it was me and I get, 3/4 of my money and the private jet is coming and gassing up, I'm going on the jet and I'm going to go and sing for the Trinidadian people them. That's how I feel. And man like Sizzla, Dada, if I'm already there, I would perform for the people them for free. Just do a big show at a park and just don't charge the people them money, because things tight right now and him already know say them out in the red already, so but him a charge more money. So what do you think? Jamaicans, Caribbean, massive Trinidadian people, how you guys feel about this? What are your thoughts? Share in the comments and tell me how y'all feel about what's going on. Are you on Sizzla side, you on Kartel side, or you on the promoter side? Or you agree with what I say? Let me hear your thoughts. Like, share, and subscribe if you feel the thing. Blessed love as always. Bye.